Here's the news of the day.
Airwolf Aerospace secures ANAC approval for True Blue Power TB20 lithium-ion batteries in Airbus H125 and AS355 helicopters, enhancing performance with lighter weight and faster charging.
Capital Helicopters invests in GPMS's Foresight MXH-UMS to enhance safety, reliability, and cost efficiency across its Bell and UH-60 Black Hawk fleet.
Pacific AirHub reports a 120% increase in aircraft sales for 2025, selling 15 helicopters in 2 months amid strong global demand for top-tier aviation solutions.
Toll Group secures a 15-year contract to provide South Australia with police, ambulance, and rescue aviation services, deploying a fleet of 8 aircraft for critical missions.
Beta Technologies in Bristow, Norway, will conduct zero-emission cargo flights in Norway, supporting the country's push to become a test hub for sustainable aviation.
Volocopter enters full insolvency, terminating 500 employees as it struggles to secure investors, though discussions with shareholders and potential buyers continue.
A Honeywell survey found 98% of U.S. airline flyers would consider air taxis, with speed, convenience, and reduced travel time as key motivators for adoption.
Arcadia eFuels partners with Blue Water to transport 300,000 tons of CO2 over 10 years, supporting its Vordingborg plant's production of 100 million liters of e-fuels annually.
LanzaTech refocuses on commercial growth, advancing waste-based ethanol to SAF projects while cutting workforce by up to 15% to reduce operating costs.
Dassault Aviation expands ExecuJet Haitai's Falcon service capabilities to Beijing Daxing, enhancing MRO support with airframe maintenance and AOG services in China.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.